Abandoned property. Got this giant barn that's falling down. Haven't got to see what's inside yet. Stinging nettles everywhere. Got a Schwinn bike. Old Ford. There's a car truck over there. Got a camper truck actually. There's a Volkswagen Bug. Man, there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. Washer, dryer, microwave, don't need that stuff. Alright, I decided to go a little deeper in here. That was a little rough. This is an old Ford truck. Let's see if this opens up. Oh, I can't get the door open very much, but look at that thing. It's a nice looking truck. Look at that car, I don't even know what that is. There's a Bug. And a camper. Ooh, look at this thing. Old mountain bike. What is this? Look at that color. It's almost the same color as that dresser. Oh, look at that. GMC for you folks. Anybody could tell what year? Let's look at the headlights. Little turn signal there. Looks like it's 1.5 ton maybe. Let's look inside there. Dually. Oh, that's a Volkswagen right there. Look at that. Missing the headlights. Think the stairs are safe to go up? Let's check it out. Oh, that's crazy. Whoa. For dear life, I guess. There we go. We found some goodies.